Today I am going to discuss about the complex number. To understand the complex number, first and foremost we have to know about the imaginary number. Now, what is imaginary number? In simplest form, the square root of a negative number is called the imaginary number. The square root of a negative number is called the imaginary number. As for example, root minus 1, root minus 2, root minus 5, root minus 9, etc. are the example of the imaginary number. Now, if we know the value of root minus 1, then we are able to solve the problems of the all other imaginary numbers. That means now you see here we introduce I for root minus 1. I for root minus 1. Then we can able to find the all other values of the all other imaginary numbers. Now, first we study about the power of imaginary number. First we study about the power of imaginary number. Suppose power of I square. I square means what? I square equal to root over minus 1 whole square means minus 1. I power 3, this I is called iota. I power 3 means what? I square into I. I square is what? Minus 1. I, that is minus I. I power 4, I square into I square minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1. I power 5 equal to I power 4 into I. Here power is 1, no need to write 1. I power 4 into I. I power 4 means we have already 1 into I means I. I power 6 means I power 4 into I square. Total is what? 6. I power 4 means what? 1. And I square means minus 1 equal to minus 1. I7 means I power 7, I power 4, I power cube. I power 4 means what? I power 4 means 1 into I cube means minus 1. I cube means what? I square into I. I square into I means minus 1 I equal to minus I. Equal to what? Minus I. Like this we can find the power of i's. Power of I. From this we get 1 equal to I power 4 equal to I power 8 equal to I power 12 equal to I power 4n. I equal to I power 5, I power 10, I power not 10, I power 9, I power 13, I power 4n plus 1 minus I minus 1 equal to I power square, I power 6, I power 10 equal to I power 4n plus 2 minus I equal to I power 3, I power 7, I power 11, I power 4n plus 3. Now how this? We can easily prove I equal to, we can write as I power 4, I power 8, I power 12. And this one, I value I power 5, I power 9. Now you see here you note here I power 4, I power 8, I power 12. Difference of power is what? 4. No. 8 minus 4 means 4, 12 minus 8 means 4. Like this, 13 minus 9, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. Like this, 11 minus 7, 4, and 7 minus 4, 3. And how we can prove that this equal to that one? You see here, conversely, I power 4 is here. I power 4n equal to is here I 4n. That means I power 4 means what? 1 power n means what? 1 power n means what? 1. That is right. Again, I power 4n plus 1. I power 4n plus 1. We can write as I power 4n and again I power 4 power n. I power 4 means 1 power n dot I. 1 power I means what? It is 1. 1 power I means 1 and I. That is okay. And third one, I power 4n plus 2. I power 4n plus 2 means I power 4 again power n dot I square. It is 1 power n. I square means minus 1, ultimately minus 1. That one. Like we can prove that equal to this one. Now we go to the exercise. No, book exercise 2.1 like this. No. Now you see exercise 2.1 and question number 2, Romanian 1. Simplify I power 35 plus 1 by I power 31. In that case, in every cases, now though I will going to start the complex number, but first we deal about what? Imaginary numbers. After this, we go to the complex number. I power 35. In that case, we have to convert I power 2 or I power 4. That will be very easy. I power 2 or I power 4. But I power 2 means what? Minus 1, and I power 4 means 1. So, in that case, we convert I power 35 in terms of I power 4. I 32 I 3. Here first I write I power 32 means what? It is the multiples of 4. Always we have to try to convert multiples of 4. It will be very easy. And next what? It is 32, then 30, only 3, altogether 35. And here also I multiples of 4 means what? 28. I 3. Next I power 4 power 8. 4 is the 32. And what? I 3 is what? Minus 1. I 3 is what? Minus I. But we break it. I square then I plus. Here is also I power 4 then power 7. 4 7 is 28. Then I cube means what? I square I. I power 4 means 1. 1 power 8 means what? 1 power 8 means what? 1. But I will put it in next line. I square means minus 1 and I plus 1 power 7 minus 1 then I 1 minus 1 I plus 1 minus 1 I. Ultimately here what? 1 minus 1 I means minus I. Plus, here is also what? Plus or minus or minus I. Here is your numerator 1 and denominator I. We have to again rationalize for I. That means minus I again I and I. We put extra I and again this one in the numerator form, please. That means minus I, here is what? Minus 1. I square means minus 1. Minus I plus I means 0. Answer. Now we go to the next question. Here, question number 2, that one, and solution. These base and base are same, so we can write as A into A square. We know A into A square means what? A cube. Like this. As that and that are same, so we can write as what? 1 plus I whole cube. Now, A cube plus B cube is what? A cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. We introduce this formula. So a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. 1 plus thrice I, and I square means minus 1, so minus 3. And you see here, I cube means what? I square I means what? Minus I. No? Minus I. Minus 2 plus 2i. Take 2 common. Minus 1 plus I. That is the answer. Now next question. Question number 4. Evaluate I power 19 plus 1 by I whole power 25. Again whole power means what? 3. We have to find the value. Evaluate means what? Value. Now is your solution. First, I tell you, I already told you that every I power have to convert I square or I4. Now we convert this one into I4, I power 4 form, I16, I power 3, I power 16, I power 3. No? Plus this power is for 1, no need to write the power as because it is 1, and I power 25 means what? I 24 and I whole power cube, whole power cube. Now 16 is what? I power 4, again power 4, I cube means minus I, directly I got here, plus 1, I power 4, power 6, again I, whole power cube. I power 4 means 1, 1 power 4 means 1, no need to write, minus I. Plus 1 by, here is also I power 4 means 1, 1 power 6 means 1, directly we write I whole power cube. Now you see, minus I plus I into I. When there is I in the below, as in place of the denominator, then we have to rationalize it and we put another I. This should be put in the numerator place. Now, that one means what? Minus I, again what? Minus I power cube minus 2I power what? Cube. Minus 2 cube and I cube minus 8 I cube means what? Minus I That means minus minus plus 8 are answer. Now we go to the next question. Question number 5. Find the smallest positive integer n for which the equality 1 plus I whole power 2n equal to 1 minus I whole power 2n is satisfied. No? For what below n, it means for what below n, this equal to this is satisfied. Solution: given 1 plus I power 2n equal to 1 minus I power 2n. This can be written as 1 plus I square whole power n. Like this. This sum is very important one. Implies a plus b whole square, s square no need to square, s square plus 2ab plus b square whole power n equal to 1 minus 2I plus I square n. And broken this part into s square means no need to square. Twice ab, 1 no need, no? And b square like this. Implies 1 plus 2I, I square means minus 1 power n, 1 minus 2I, and here minus 1 power n. This one cancel, means what? 2I power n equal to this one and this one cancel, minus 2I power n. Now that can write as this one is for 2 and this one is I. Power n, I power n. In that case, we can write as 2 minus I power n minus I power n means 2 power n I n means 2 minus I means what? Minus I means we can write 1 by I. 1 by I power n. That means 1 by I is here, 1 by I. When we rationalize this, I into I, again I, lower minus 1 and it is I, ultimately minus I. So for minus I we put what? 1 by I implies 2 power n I power n equal to what? 2 power n I power n. This 2 power n cancel. It is the single one, means it is the numerator and it is also numerator, but it is what? Denominator. Now you cross it. I means I power n into I power n equal to what? 1. I power 2n means we take 1 base n plus n, 2n equal to 4 1. We can write 4 1, we can write what? I power 4. Because there is the imaginary part and there is what real part. We can what compare. So make this real number into, we convert real number into imaginary number. First we can write as a power 2n equal to what? A power 6. Then 2n equal to 6. Like this. N power that means what? 2n equal to 4. Therefore, n equal to 4 by 2 means 2. For n equal to 2, the given question is satisfied. The given problem is satisfied. Last question, question number 5, Romanian 2. For positive integer and so that into that equal to 2. Solution. Below iota means we should to rationalize it, always we have to mind it. 1 minus I power n, 1 minus I, it is original I, we put the another I, then there is also this extra I power n. 1 minus I power n, 1 minus 1 I power n. I and I square, below I square minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 is a plus I n. What may be the base, quantity of base, but the power is what? Equal. So we can write 1 minus I, 1 plus I whole power n. Means n is for that and n is for that. That means a minus b, a plus b, or a plus b, a minus b means what? A square means 1 square minus I square power n. One square means 1 minus I square means minus 1 and 1 plus 1 power n means 2 power n. No? Hence solved. In that chapter, first we have the idea about the power of the imaginary numbers, power of the I. No, if we know it properly, then every sum will be very easy for the candidates. Okay, thank you.